People first language. Speaking the language of friendship. What is people first language? People first language means talking to and about your classmates and others with kindness and respect. People first language means we look to our friends' qualities that make them unique and interesting individuals. Some examples of people first language include: use a friend with disability instead of a handicapped person, a classmate without a disability instead of a normal or healthy person, a buddy with cognitive developmental delay instead of retarded, a friend who is visually impaired instead of a blind person, a classmate who suffers hearing loss instead of a deaf person, a student who uses a wheelchair instead of a wheelchair-bound person, and accessible parking or restrooms instead of handicap parking or restrooms. Disabilities are natural. Don't be afraid of kids with disabilities. Kids with disabilities have likes and dislikes just like you do. People with disabilities have hopes and dreams. Kids and adults with disabilities have unique personalities and talents. And people with disabilities deserve the same respect and opportunities that we all want and deserve. So why use people first language? Using people first language helps let others know you see how important they are. People first language shows you care. And speaking to and about others using people first language gives you the opportunity to get to know some really cool people. So go ahead and give it a try. The more you use people first language, the more natural it becomes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. If you're sincere and kind, you will be fine.